Assalamualaikum, grade 4. How are you, my all class? I hope that my all shining stars are fine at home. And beta, take care of yourself. And it's better if you stay at home and make sure that do your work at home properly. And your work should be neat and clean. Now let's move to the next unit. As you know, my dear class, our unit number 8 is done. Today, my dear class, we are moving to unit number 9. It rattlesnakes. This unit is about snakes, and in this unit we will read that where they live, how they look, and what they need for food, and how actually they live there. And for unit tag, what you have to do, you have two options. On page number 104 there is a snake, and on page number 105 here is another snake. So these are the two snakes. You can make any one of them on your notebook for unit tag, and your unit tag should be neat and clean with proper coloring, and it should be proper. Now what's work of today is, my dear class, you have to do reading page number 104. First of all, in the first paragraph, what they are telling us that rattlesnakes are venomous reptiles. There are more than 24 different types of rattlesnakes. How many types of rattlesnakes are there? 24, and that are found in the world, such as the eastern diamondback, sidewinder, and speckled, among others. So these are the main three kinds of the snakes, and habitat mean that where they live. Rattlesnakes are found in many parts of America, ranging from South Alberta and southern British Columbia in Canada to central Argentina. They live in the mountains, deserts, and plains. So in these countries mostly the snakes are found, and where they found, they are lived in mountains, in deserts. What are their appearances, how they look? Rattlesnakes are brown, gray, or tan. So these are the colors in which they are found. They have diamond shaped patches or bands on their bodies. Look at these are the diamond shaped patches. It looks that some patches are pasted on their bodies. So they have these patches on their bodies which serve as camouflage. Unlike other animals, rattlesnakes do not have ears. They have no ears. They detect movement by sensing vibrations in the ground. How they detect that someone is coming? They they feel the vibrations of the ground, and then they notice that someone is coming towards them. Rattlesnakes have superb eyesight, even with it is dim. They have dim but superb eyesight. Their triangular heads contain hollow spots between the eyes and nostrils, which are called pits. Pits help rattlesnakes hunt in darkness by detecting body heat of its prey. Whenever they feel the heat of any prey, they detect the body of the prey, and even in the darkness their eyesight is very sharp, and they use their pits. Rattlesnakes can grow between 3 and 4 feet. That is their actually the length. How many what is the length? 3 to 4 feet long. So my dear class, that is your today's task, page number 104 reading. Tomorrow I will ask some short questions from reading. With the reading you have to do page number 107, habitat America, Canada, and in mountains, deserts, and plains. You will write on your book. What is the appearance? Brown, grey, or tan, and hunting for food. Lizards, small rodents like rats and squirrels, they eat for the food. That you have to do on your book, and wish you a happy day to all of you.